Pito can't be down with this crank call because he laughs too much.
This is another one.
Next time I'll buy myself.
Pito's stay over there with Angel. Ready? Turn it loud.
Do you guys have shrimp fried rice? Do you guys have shrimp fried rice?
Yes, we do.
What time do you guys close today?
Quarter to 10. 9:45.
Do you have some, young boy?
Do you have the donuts, the Chinese donuts?
Chinese donuts that don't fall, you mean?
Yeah, well, you see, we go around, me and my family, and we don't find nothing good. And we want to find a good restaurant because today is my anniversary with my wife. And I want to take my children. Hello?
Yes. Okay. So, you want to order to go or you want?
Maybe we will go today, depending on my wife, what she says.
Okay, but I'm sorry, the time is closed at 9 o'clock.
Oh, it closed at 9?
Yes.
Oh, damn.
Do you say young boy?
Okay, I go hurry up and buy. Thank you.
These guys laugh too much.
I didn't know.
I say we call from today.